What subject pronouns are? A subject pronoun shows who does the action. It can replace a name, so the sentence is shorter. Example: Maria is happy. She is happy. Example: Tom has a bike. He has a bike. In English, subject pronouns usually come before the verb. Example: They play football in the park. Example: We eat pizza at home. Singular subject pronouns. Use I to speak about yourself. In English, I is always a capital letter. Example: I am in the kitchen. Example: I like blue shoes. Use he for a man or a boy, and she for a woman or a girl. Example: Example: She is a nurse. Use it for one animal, one object, or one place when it is not a person. Example: It is a small dog. Example: It is a red car. You for one person or many people. Use you to speak to one person. Use you also to speak to two or more people. Example: You are my friend. Example: You are my classmates. Plural subject pronouns. Use we when you are in the group. The speaker is part of the group. Example: We are at the beach. Example: We have a big family. Use they for people, animals, objects, or places in a group. Example: They are students. Example: They are yellow flowers. Subject pronouns with the verb be. Subject pronouns often go with the verb be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Example: She is at school. Example: They are in the garden. Example: I am ready. Examples: I am at the bus stop. You have a new phone. He is in the supermarket. She reads a book on the sofa. It is a white cat. We are in a small cafe. They play music in the street. You are my teachers. He drives a taxi. She cooks soup in the kitchen. It is a big museum. We watch a movie at night. They are green apples. I drink water after class. You sit near the window. Quiz. Choose an option. I. I am a student. Choose an option. She. She is my sister. Choose an option. He. He works in a bank. Choose an option. It. It is a blue bicycle. Choose an option. We. We are in the park. Choose an option. They. They are my friends. Choose an option. You. You are a good cook. Choose an option. They. They are red flowers. Choose an option. She. She has a yellow bag. Choose an option. He. He is at the door. Choose an option. We. We like this restaurant. Choose an option. It. It is a clean room. Choose an option. You. You are my neighbors. Choose an option. I. I have two pencils. Choose an option. They. They live near the river.